My wife thought I was a good boy this year. She surprised me with this Badland ZXR 12,000 pound winch. I'm going to throw it on the front of this pickup. So inside here, obviously we got instructions, the controller, nice simple controller, in and out. Battery cable, hook, and a little safety lanyard, similar to that one, or the same, similar, whatever. What else we got? Zip tie for, oh, extra cable. Some mounting bolts. Control box. Oh, come with a fairlead too. I didn't realize that. Comes with fairlead. Might have to upgrade what I got. What's this? Oh, battery. Quick disconnect. That's smart. I'll mount that to the front. And, oh, that's where all the heavy, that's what's so heavy. There. That's a good looking unit. Boy, it's heavy too. Nice and stout. That's cast metal there. That'll keep it from trying to twist. I like it. I'm going to put this together before I even try to mount it on the bumper. Just get it ready. So you could actually mount this box somewhere else. You don't necessarily have to mount it to the top of this. If you were hiding this back in behind your bumper, you'd have a hard time getting to this, so you could mount this any location, obviously close to it, that you could reach it with your reach the controller plug. These screws did have some Loctite on there. It'll help hold it together. So basically I got 4 wires here. They're all black, but they're all color coded, black, red, and yellow. But we'll just take these and just color match them over here. Get them attached. And so you can take these and kind of tuck them in here tight. Hold them where you want them. So I'm guessing this is metric, 13 millimeter. I'm going to hold these in here kind of tight. Stretch these boots over. There. That one. Boy, it's nice when this rubber's new, pliable. Okay. My goal here was to try to get these tucked in fairly tight. And we got one on the bottom here. This little guy. Nope. 13 as well. Okay. So I'm gonna. Okay, this is ready to. Oops, get off of there. This is ready to throw into my bumper. I am not going to put the hook on yet. I can poke the cable through the fairlead and then hook that up. Be a lot easier. This short cable is for your switch. I've never actually had a quick disconnect switch for my winches before. I like the idea. I've heard a lot of people have had problems, not with this winch particularly, but with winches over time. The solenoids will stick, or your remote button sticks and keeps winching. Well, you can break something really easy. I've seen winches. Matter of fact, that winch in my pickup there was torn to pieces and had to be repaired because a solenoid stuck. So in that case, you could run over, disconnect it, stop the whole function. So I will install that. I think it's a great idea. And so I'll find a good location for that. That's what this is for. Put it close to your battery. And so I will actually pull the bumper off and get to switching this out. Out with the old and in with the new. So in here, there's a recess for the upper nut. It's a captured nut. And to make sure I didn't lose that nut while I'm moving this around and we're carrying it from the table to here, I put a little piece of tape over that just to kind of hold it. Well, I'm pretty sure most of this style of winch mounts in the same hole as competitors. That winch I just took off, it's mounted on the same holes that I just put this one in. Okay, and a special oops, I forgot to put this on. I thought I'd put it on before I got this far, and I forgot. So, don't forget to put this on when you got it on the bench. Okay, finally. Well, just enough slack to get that in there without losing it. All right, I'm just going to spread that a little bit so it doesn't fall out. Okay, now I'm ready. Oh, good fit. I had cut all this out for that other winch, and I was concerned about it fitting in here okay, and yeah, I got lots of clearance. It worked out good. So I just need to throw some bolts in here. So I mounted my quick disconnect switch right here to the top of the battery. I already had built a battery tie down. I just added a little plate to it here so I could at least get 3 screws in, and it's handy. I'm going to write on here off, just so you know, the black mark on here, just so if somebody doesn't know, they can run up here and boom, figure it out. All right, I need to pull up some slack out of this now, and it's a good chance for me to test it out, make sure it's all going to work, make sure I don't have any problems. So I will plug that in. That's working. Pull that up tight. I don't want it rattling. Okay, so I decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a pair of these and weld them on the front of here, my bumper, like that. I'll do one on each side, and that should hold up. These are 15,000 pound D-rings. I've got a 12,000 pound winch, so there should be plenty of give on that. I'll just try to make sure my welds are really good where I anchor them. I took the paint off down to the metal here, so I can get my welds to stick. So we'll just go from there. With bare steel, use self-etching primer, your paint will stick way better. Well, we got this all wrapped up. It was a pretty easy job. It took me a couple hours just to mount the winch on here. The winch itself, it's really a good feeling winch. It's heavy duty. It feels heavy, pretty solid. The mechanism here for the neutral for the free spool is nice and tight, good feeling, and everybody that uses them seems to really love them. So I'm glad to have it. I'll feel safe out in the woods. I won't have to worry about that old one giving up on me. And also adding the hooks makes it recovery a little easier for me and helping other people out. So I can't wait to get out and try it, but I really don't want to be trying it because that means I'm in trouble or somebody else is in trouble, and I want to have fun. But anyhow, I'd like to see it work. I think that's about all I wanted to mention. Appreciate you watching, following along. I hope you found this helpful and this information useful. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the road. Bye.